Welcome to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Jamaican Cow Foot Stew. If you're new here, my name is Lyndon Houston. Sit back, relax, do enjoy this video tutorial. So in this, I have about 1.5 kilos of cow foot. But this thing, I let them debone it in the butchers, but it's still cow skin. It's the only thing, the bone been moved out of it. So I'm gonna give it a quick wash. So to wash this, I'm gonna go in with some lemon. Just use what you have. If you don't have any lemon, use some vinegar in this. I'm gonna give this a quick wash. Then we're gonna pick off the excess fat of this. So this here, I'm just cutting off the excess fat. So the list of ingredients I'll be using in my cow foot stew: fresh garlic. We have here chili pepper. I'm gonna use some pimento berries, ginger. Here we have some spring onion. We have here onion already chopped up, and in this some carrots. And the star of the show, we're gonna use some all-purpose, which is this. It's my own brand. You can get this on eBay. Website coming soon. So that's Linden all-purpose season. You can use this on anything. I'll be using some jerk marinade on it also. And this is my jerk marinade. You can get this on eBay also. So that's what I'll be using in it. So I'll be starting with my dry ingredients. I'll get my all-purpose season. This all-purpose season have actually everything in it to make the food season to the bone. Gonna go over with about 3 teaspoons of my jerk marinade on that. Next up, garlic, bit of chili, fresh thyme. We'll be adding some spring onion and some pimento berry. Gonna add some onion to this also. Next up is some fresh ginger. We'll be adding a bit of gravy browning onto this. Gravy browning is just caramelized sugar. Now I'm going to marinate everything together now. Look how lovely that is. See that? So what I do, I plastic this and I'm going to put this in the fridge. Let it sit and the marinade soak through it for about 2 to 3 hours, or you can leave it overnight. What I'll be doing now, how to cook the cow foot. I'm going to go in with some olive oil and I'm going to put some garlic and pimento berries in the pot just to catch flavor. This cow foot stew is very delicious, rich, and have a glutinous texture, and is a very popular dish in Jamaica. Popular and hearty comfort meal in Jamaica and other Caribbean countries. Go ahead, what I'm doing now, putting my cow foot in the hot pan and I'm searing it off. Another way in Jamaica we would say we're browning off the meat. In the chef terminology, we're searing off the meat. So go ahead. We're going to sear it off until it changes color, meaning it's going to get a little bit brown and lovely. And then we'll start adding a little bit of liquid to it. Bear it in mind, this dish takes about 2.5 hours to prepare. So the pan that I seasoned the meat in, the juice that left off it and the season, I just add some water and I pour it back. I'm adding some tomato puree to mine to give it that richness, but bear in mind to taste it, because sometimes the tomato puree can be a little bit acidic and tangy. So I'm putting my carrot in from now, and the reason for that is to give it that sweetness, and I'm going in with a little bit of brown sugar just to give it a balance. So now I'm adding my butter bean to this. Now it is nice and tender. As you can see, the richness of this cow foot stew. This is so delicious, tasty, and this is one of the best cow foot stew you'll ever taste, and the recipe also. Let me know in the comment how you like your cow foot stew. Now, to take it to the next level and to add extra bold flavor to this Jamaican cow foot stew, I have some lovely butter in here, and I'm gonna go inside with some other season to trap that last flavor. Season and vegetables such as onion, garlic, spring onion, a little bit of all-purpose over this, different color peppers, and we're gonna saute this off. And what we're gonna do after sauteing this off, we're gonna add this over our delicious cow foot stew, and that's gonna give you that boldness and that extra flavor you're looking for. Look at this. This is absolutely fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, if this video of any help to you, please remember to like, share, subscribe. If you notice, I've just put some fresh thyme in it, and it's very important when you add a little bit more thyme after you finish cooking a particular dish like this. It gives you that rich, deep flavor and taste that will wow anyone. So I'm just stirring it in, and what I'm going to have with this, I have some lovely rice and peas, which I'm going to show you, which I'm going to have with this, because I love rice and peas. This cow foot is so nice and delicious. Look at this. Tell you, this cow foot is the best cow foot, and this is the easiest and the best way to cook Jamaican cow foot stew. So I'm just letting it cook down a little bit more, because I like my gravy to be nice and rich and tasty also. Have a look at this. Look how rich this is. So I'm going to plate out my cow foot stew how I like it. That's my rice and peas down there. And look at this lovely and delicious, tasty cow foot stew going down on the plate. This is absolutely fantastic. I'm going to have this with a bit of salad, which I made up. And to finish it off, we're going to put a little bit of tomato rose on the side, just to take it to the next level. Look at this. This is absolutely fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Remember to try this recipe and enjoy the taste also. Wow, this is so delicious. Unbelievable flavor bursting. Everything is seasoned in and out. Wow, I'm really enjoying it. Let me know in the comment how you like your cow foot stew.